Yes, Ram is listening a song. Please write down, please, all of you. It is present continuous tense. Ram is listening a song. Listening का spelling LISTENING. Listening a song. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Harshit, tell me, is this sentence correct?
Ram is listening a song now.
Yeah, very good. Please write down. Ram is listening a song now. ये नाउ जो है NOW, नाउ का मतलब है अभी, मतलब अब. अभी राम क्या कर रहा है? अभी, इसी वक्त, आज के दिन, इसी समय राम क्या कर रहा है? And that is present continuous tense. Present means अभी. अभी जो हो रहा है वही सच है, और हम जो बाद में कर चुके आए हैं वो सच नहीं है. ठीक है, अभी जो हो रहा है वही सच है. So Ram is listening a song now. That is the answer in present continuous tense.
Continuous tense.
Did you understand, Karan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, please leave some lines and write present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now write, it has been raining. It has been raining. It has been raining.
Now.
Since yesterday. Since yesterday.
What is identification of present perfect continuous tense? How we will...
Yeah, I am telling you. Please write. Then only I will tell you.
Okay.
It has been raining.
Since yesterday.
Since yesterday.
Done,
Did you find any difference between the two sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me what is the difference?
Ma'am, in present continuous tense, that is, we are not using has or have. At that time we are using is, am, are, and now we are using has, have, and also we are using been.
Okay. Again, any other difference? Harshit, can you find any other difference?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, we see in present continuous tense now. It means, ma'am, just it is been going. It is going on. And present perfect continuous, ma'am, we seen yesterday.
Very good. Very good. That one I wanted to listen. Present continuous tense means now what is the work is going on, now what is the action is being done by the subject or the person, that is called present continuous tense. But in present perfect continuous tense, it is the work is going on till now, but it is not started from today. It has started from many years ago, maybe many months ago, or maybe from yesterday, for many days ago. That means it was started in the past, but it's still going on. And that is called present perfect continuous tense. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Again I am saying, please listen to me so that you don't have to search again, and in one click you can understand forever. What are the, you see, tenses are related about actions. कब टाइम, अबाउट टाइम, कब हो रहा है, कब शुरू, जो एक्शन शुरू हुआ अभी, जो भी काम, खेलना, कूदना, सोना, बैठना, चिल्लाना, बैठना, सोना, जो भी कुछ है वो कब शुरू हुआ. क्या अब ये अभी हो रहा है? अगर ये अभी हो रहा है तो ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है. और अगर ये कल से शुरू हो रहा था, कल से शुरू हुआ, अभी चल रहा है, परसों से शुरू हुआ, अभी चल रहा है, 2 महीने पहले शुरू हुआ, अभी चल रहा है, 1 साल पहले चल रहा है, शुरू हुआ, अभी चल रहा है, देन इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग दैट?
No, ma'am.
And one thing is that when you are using present perfect means has, you have to write. Has, you have to write. Perfect means has. In the past you have to write had. In the present, has or have. In the present perfect you have to write has or have. But when it is continuous, then you have to use been here. Been, B-E-E-N, been. Has been. In present continuous tense, is doing, is working, are singing, am going. But in present perfect continuous tense, has been doing, have been going, has been listening, has been singing, have been doing. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the second phase. Now the third phase is the time will start from the past. The action will start from the past and it will end in the, it will not end, it is going on till now. That is called present perfect continuous tense. Another example I want to give you, please write. I have been doing this job. I have been doing this job for last 2 months. For last 2 months. मैं पिछले 2 महीने से ये जॉब में काम कर रही हूँ, इस जॉब को काम कर रही हूँ, मतलब इस जॉब को कर रही हूँ. फॉर FOR फॉर मतलब, हाँ, फॉर मतलब से, फॉर पिछले, from is not there, it is for, FOR for last 2 months.
2 months.
लास्ट मीन्स जो गुजर गए, जो 2 महीने गुजर गए उसको लास्ट कहते हैं. दिस इज नॉट कमिंग 2 months, इट इज लास्ट 2 months. फॉर लास्ट 2 months. Okay? Did you get?
Yes.
Okay, now I want to say where we have to use since and where we have to use for in the time of present perfect continuous tense. Since we can use at that time when the time is fixed. When the time is fixed, that means since yesterday. That means everybody can understand, oh, this work has been started from yesterday only. Okay? But for last 2 months, ये इसमें मंथ्स का नाम भी नहीं है. कौन से 2 महीने से, जनवरी या फरवरी, सितंबर या अक्टूबर, that is not mentioned. You can't imagine from which months, from which date. That is not mentioned here. That's why it is for. And since when it will be, the time will be fixed. That means exact time is given. Then only you can use since. That means since 1945, since 1999, since yesterday, like that. That means time will be fixed. That person should specify the time. If the time is not specified, then you can use here for. Or if the time is specified, then you have to use here since. Thus 3 parts, 3 things, 3 features of present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Did you understand?
Ma'am, I don't understand the since.
Since means since yesterday. जैसे कोई काम शुरू हो रहा है, कल से शुरू हुआ, तो ये बोल के दिया गया कि yesterday से, कल से शुरू हुआ. पर ये हाँ सेकंड सेंटेंस में हमने ये लिखा कि फॉर लास्ट 2 months. मैं यहाँ सिंस लिख सकती थी पर मैंने सिंस नहीं लिखा क्योंकि 2 months. कौन सा 2 months? फरवरी या जनवरी ऐसा कोई फिक्स नहीं है और डेट भी यहाँ फिक्स नहीं है. नथिंग इज मेंशन्ड. इट इज जस्ट कंफ्यूज्ड. द टाइम इज कंफ्यूज्ड. That's why you have to use only for. और सिंस कब लिखना है? जब आपको कोई टाइम दिया जाएगा, एग्जैक्ट टाइम मतलब बताया गया है कि तभी शुरू हुआ था. जैसे आज मॉर्निंग, कल मॉर्निंग 9 बजे से शुरू हुआ काम, तो आपको सिंस लिखना होगा. जैसे 2012 से मैं इस स्कूल में पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे सिंस होगा क्योंकि आपने बोल के दिया कि उसी साल से मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. दैट मीन्स टाइम एंड डेट शुड बी फिक्स्ड. Anything should be fixed. If you want to use, then only since will be used. Did you understand, Vinod?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So what are the 3 points? Please give me your presentation, please.